Hey, yo, them know so the war just start because of bad man Jula Cat make them know this now. Hey, chat to them here.
Hey, justice when I'm talking about juvenile, look at bumbo, let's talk about sky tapping, it's a bad man, little tapping. Working in the master, skull cracking the door, you're knocking. Shock him, rude boy. Everybody know my champion, Tingle and Salaberry.
Onto your toilet face.
All over here, the justice, put up on one. Badang bang bang. All over here, the justice, put up on one. When you hear me tell about killing pussy and we kill them for fun. And killing that son boy and we kill them for fun. Follow me now. Killing pussy and we kill them for fun. And killing that son boy and we kill them for fun. Tell them 20 grand and justice them kill one. Tell them 40 grand and juvenile them kill one. And tell them 60 grand and take a share them kill one. Got a million and with us how they will gang. Don't tell them man no dance the dana. Dance the legend but the man no turbo and the fourth and winner. They don't take hand to the best. Come to the and come left it to the dana. Ready back again in the rest of shake off way on. Some boy fit dead them for forget name. This is something you have to understand. Pick up all the youth them and the gully bang gang. Pick up all the youth them from over Finland. Like they have been it every year sing reggae song. Pick up Europe and make them mash up Japan. Muscle contract that the one keep me strong. Burn out Sony and burn out Polygram. It's a mess I kept for my foundation. Anywhere we pass through that's enough for ram. It's some little fool that around the Gideon. To them little watching up a couple million. Disrespect us, it's how we boom up a billion. Ready back again, tell them this is enough for ram. Mumble with them till we fifth and know where we come from. And the man that know that it's a must come from Iceland. Captain Pen we come from off the wall down.
Welcome my people to the Have Never Told. I'm your host, Justice the Great. Got a lot of things to talk to you about today. Enough things. From chin to mighty clown to who I am. Introducing myself to y'all today. But before I get into all of that, check this out. I'm also an artist, singer, songwriter, producer. Check out my video. I will pray for you. I'll be right back.
Dread beats.
Woo! I will pray for you, no matter what you go through. May God keep on blessing you. I will pray for you, no matter what you go through. May God keep on guiding you.
Life is full of illusion, lots of confusion. The simplest thing makes a man wanna draw for his gun. But I hope you live to tell your story. Without guts there is no glory. Once you live and once you die. Oh, what you gonna do when your time comes? You gonna stand up or you gonna run? Ain't nothing to it, you just got to do it. But before you do the crime, I would suggest you think about the time. Life move forward and it cannot rewind. Woo!
But I will pray for you, no matter what you go through. May God keep on blessing you. But I will pray for you, no matter what you go through. May God keep on guiding you.
It is what it is. your story. Without us, there is no glory. Once you live and once you die. Oh, what you gonna do when your time comes? You gonna stand up or you gonna run? Ain't nothing to it. You just got to do it. But before you do the crime, I would suggest you think about the time. Life move forward and cannot rewind. Woo!
But I will pray for you, no matter what you go through. May God keep on blessing you. But I will pray for you, no matter what you go through. May God keep on guiding you. But I will pray for you, no matter what you go through.
Welcome back to Half Never Told. Hope you enjoy my video. I will pray for you off my album Emancipation Music in all internet stores now, iTunes, Amazon. Download it, man. Hope you enjoy it, 19 tracks of freedom blues. Yeah, man, something to free up the bosses slave them, Yeah, man, righteousness for the ghetto youth them. Emancipation Music in stores. Well, they have never told. I have a lot of things to talk about today. Who is justice? Well, justice is the reward for good and the punishment for evil. When dealing with I, make sure you know on which side of that you are. Yeah, because you can get a blessing as well as you can get a lightning. Haile Selassie, I know. Yeah, Rastafari. Right. Now, I watched the interview with Mighty Crown. And some of the way I hear they talk about justice, I'm highly offended. Well, the Mighty Crown story has never been told fully, and I'm here to tell this story today. So, stay tuned. Stay tuned. The half never told. Be right back.
This is what the justice them is like.
Yeah, man, welcome back. The have never told. Okay, straight up. Running Mighty Crown. Everywhere I'm going now, I hear people that talk about Mighty Crown. But I'm here today to tell you the full story of justice and Mighty Crown. Running to Mighty Crown, would I say in the late 90s or mid 90s, somewhere around there. First in Orlando. Into a club at that time was late 90s, early 2000s. A club named This Is It. At the night it was like Chalice, Justice, this Mighty Crown. Yeah, trying to remember. Don't want to stress the brain too much. Alright. Running to them, that's the first night. In those days, it was days like, juggling a go on, and end of the night, the sound man them, try shoot out after they one another for look at 30 minutes. Dance was alright, After the end of the dance, we introduced ourselves to Mighty Crown. Them alright, introduced ourselves to Chin Chin was there. Just a go and relax them time there. Yeah, so, you introduce yourself, Take a number, get Chin number, tell Chin, say, yo, we want to bring the X sound, because Mighty Crown at that time was a young sound. Never really go out there yet, like that on the back of field. Really, not get the respect that they have right now today, them times there. We as a youth on the back of field in them days that look it same way, so, mutual respect, so we get Chin number. From the attitude of the dance, remember when Chin give the number, I say, boy, I don't know so a war dance, so no one still, me see it. He said, yeah, man, everything good. Anyways, that was Orlando. I live in Jacksonville, Florida. Come back to Jacksonville, Florida, all said, all done. Never run into Mighty Crown again. Mighty Crown never come up on the radar again till I got a call from a promoter saying, have one big dance with me. He said, Justice, this guy's going to take you around the world. Now was the time you bust. So I'm dying laughing, because, you Hey, all kind of things. Promoter can make you all kind of promises, especially when they want discount. You see what I say? Someone say, alright, listen me now. I say, what kind of dance is this? I say, alright. I have a big dance for you. Mighty Crown, Black Cat. I say, wow. That sound mighty. Mighty Crown, Black Cat. Yeah, that sound good. So which ways? Man, so bigger things than that now, Justice. Let me show you your boss. This dance is gonna be in 2 cities. Orlando, Miami. I say, yeah. Things sound real turn up. Alright then. Now ways, you know, here preparing for mentally, getting the things them ready for Mighty Crown Black Cat. Promoter ring back my phone a couple weeks later. Justice, you wanna go on? I have to drop you off for that show there. Drop you off the show. Hold on now, how you drop me off for the show? What go on? I never call you and ask you for nothing. I never call and beg you for nothing. You call me, tell me you have these great things gonna happen for my future. What's going on? Why me have to drop off for the show? Here what go on? Mighty Crown them say you have to come out for the dance. Who's Mighty Crown? I mean, how Mighty Crown for you tell you say Justice to come out for the dance? Who's Mighty Crown? Them boy can't tell you that. Yeah. Nah man, them Japanese boy they can't tell you that. No Mighty Crown, them manager, Chin. So they don't really want no other sound on the dance. So me I say, on the 2 show, no other sound, no other sound. Why is that? They are trying to break Mighty Crown in the system as a champion sound, and they need a one-on-one with Black Cat. I say, yeah, but why is Chin dictating your show? And which ways, never like that. Tell you until this day, I never really liked that. What happened? Mighty Crown went on, set up them little trap for Black Cat, give him a little bit of money for 2 shows, trap him. First show in Miami, then left in my hotel late and pick him up late. And them in the club I play for about 2 hours. But when Panther reach in I dance, nobody no want him. In about an hour and 10 minutes, Panther dead. Same thing the next night at Orlando. Then they set up him life, give him little money, and send him back to Jamaica. Get them audio and go bust themselves. Alright, so I say, alright, my people give me now, I know what I go on, I know if I bust as a champion, so no. I see what Mighty Crown did. Don't get it twisted. So I say, alright then, I don't like it. Because right there, so I could have get my boss too. So alright, I say, alright, I chill, I relax. Same promoter. Call me again. Justice. I have one dance for you. I know the thing the last time never worked out the way we planned, but I have one dance for you. Which dance? Mighty Crown. Metro Media. Mighty Crown again? What kind of dance? Juggling dance. How that drop in? No, I'm never too like the juggling idea. So any which way, thinking about the whole situation of what Mighty Crown did when they met the promoter, drop me off the dance. I said, these guys right there, so them offend me now that I one strike. So, boy, I don't know. I'm going to forget deal with it. So I just say, alright, I go down there now. Remember the day I look at my selector Tico, and I say, Tico, when we on 95, I look at Tico and say, yo, Tico, we have a juggling dance. And I say, no, Mighty Crown. He coming on the highway with me as a juggling dance. And he's on the highway, I look at him and tell him, say, Tico, this guy offended me. Right now, leave the 45 them. Those days were record days. He said, the whole of them? I say, yeah, man. The Bob Marley them? I say, yeah, man. Dennis Brown? Yeah, man. Garnett still consists of 2, man. I say, P.A.W. I say, yeah, man. Alright, you know, for the man offend ya, that have to get dealt with. So I look on it and say, alright, we got the dance and sit down there, wait for them and them women. So them a come on. Them see Sky Juice him bust the corner. And Mighty Crown him bust the corner and then come in, you know, and run with them heavy dub box, run with them, go drop them down and True, we was at the venue all night sitting down waiting. Soon as them coming through the venue, we make sure that we was around the turntable as them walk at the stage and put them in box. That's when we know, so alright, for the time start, because we have boy to deal with. Any which ways, went on and start the dance, which they're not knowing what feelings are we carrying or why are we acting like this. Until this year, this is the first they're gonna find out. So in a which way, we went on and we got some bombs now and start sending on the judgment, you know, upon them over there. Mighty Crown a big sound, big champion sound, you know. Sky Juice a big sound, big champion sound. I no time for sorry for them, and for me business that. Send it on upon them here, then come in a ball and murmur, talk about them not get paid for clash and what kind of this dance that. And try to twist the dance into being a juggling dance. So I watch that and I say, alright, let me see who is greater, Sky Juice, Mighty Crown or Justice. So I say, alright, big man thing. We are still, remember I say we ain't can 45, you know. Send on what they dub them upon them the second round. Them ball and cuss, them murmur and them no come here for no clash. Alright. Send it on upon them again the third round. People are laugh after them by then. Them people are laugh after them. Cause how much time you gonna ball? Oh, I'm not get paid for clash. Promoter the camera. Oh yeah? Why you tell people that? Why you think say? People have nonsense. Why you tell them that once? Them don't hear that already. You better find something else for them. So yeah man, the people them are laugh after them all night, you know? Any which way. Second thing I have against next day. At that time, you know, China keep all the big world clash them and them things, you know, man. The big mighty man in the business. Chin went on the next day, very next day, and released a public statement on his website, labeling Justice as a flipper, an ambusher. No one, what you say what? Yeah man, you go up on the website, start labeling I and I as a flipper, an ambusher. It's a bomb buckler. Phone start ringing from everywhere. Why you flip up on the big mighty crowd? Eh? I mash up the people them dance. So I say, alright, them don't bother pay them things to no mind, you know? But here what happened. So we did that again and we watch it and I watch it. So we start notice the boy we used to get to call them. None of the promoter them stop call. Why I don't want to bring you come on my place, you know? I'm not afraid to flip up on the people them and run out the people them, you know. I'm never flip up on no sound one time and people run go now, you know. Every time we flip up all people, I've even sent out a text. At that time, people ready to start come on the dance. Anyway, Justice start clash. And people know. As the night go by, and more people are come on that because they know it's excitement. But anyway, which way? Chin is the first person who labeled me as a flipper, as an ambusher. And so after them sabotage my career, drop me off of the dance, tell the promoters and if you put me on the dance. One of the things with even that dance that they tell the promoter not to put me on, you know, that I haven't tell you, was they also did not charge the promoter for the dance. So when you bring the promoter offer like drop Justice, me play for free, that is Mighty Crown. All you have to do is play Black Cat for 2 dance. That's how Mighty Crown got their boss. Yeah man. So now, I look on it and say no. Me I look my boss and me still flip up on them. Next thing I know, everywhere me turn, negative press, negative press, negative press, negative press. Flipper, ambusher. No sir, Justice a troublemaker. No sir. So me answer no. Remember, you know, I'm not rich like a Mighty Crown, you know. Mighty Crown come into reggae with money, you know, to buy out the business, you know. Mighty Crown don't earn no money from reggae, right? The Crown spend money in reggae. I'm a kind of guy who, yeah man, a reggae feed me, man. I'm not telling a lie, man. We ain't born rich, man. We born poor. So reggae feed me and feed me youth them. You see what I say? So I can't make a guy just ambush my character, so. So he went on for years and years and years and years to where it's like, everywhere me go, it stick by me. So people like, when I say Mighty Crown ambush my career, they don't really understand because the flipping stick on you, the ambush stick on you. So, you know, and then now, who put that label on me? Chin. And which ways couldn't get rid of the label. Till about a year and a half ago. Went to Jamaica, you know. And reasoning with some friends. The man say, boy, them not tell no lie youth, for them a girl is one of the most talented youth, how come you no boss? I say, boy, no say me not try. And then I start showing them the part that I've been showing you. How I've been labeled and slow down with food. The man said, look for me and said, Justice, you're an idiot. We grow you. How you figure foreign and make man use their mouth and cover you down. I make the man use their mouth and get you out. Make man use their mouth and kill you. And I said, what that? Man said, no, we grow you better than that. No boy not supposed to use their mouth and get you out. We grow you. You say you're born and grow. Flipper what? The man said, if them label you the flipper, now you's gonna become the king of the flipper. So when I left Jamaica with a different mentality. How to restore back my career. Now, leaving Jamaica with that mentality, the man them give me a guidance and say, Justice. See that drum here? Walk in a Babylon with it. See the drum? Yeah man. Big up Bongo Herman and some of them Monday. Yeah. Yeah man. So then give me the drum and say, here what? I want you to take the drum. I want you to go back in Babylon. I want you to know say anything you do. If you public it, you know, push it out there in the media. And everything you do, no care who I try to hush you up. If you talk the things them and make the world know. Because they are here with us. And they are here to help me fight in the struggle. So then give me the drummer and send me through. I want to tell you, so, you know, I come off, I live in Jacksonville, Florida. I end up in Miami and the man them see me with the drummer and say, Justice, how you get that drum there for? I'm going to tell them how the drum come on right away. See the shake of them here. Long story short. You see it? Yeah, so when we do so now and the man and give me the shake and bless me, now me have the drum and the shake and we are say, alright, I want to order the sound I charge with. We are kill pagan. Pagan we are kill right now. You see it? And we say, alright, bam, so and jump on the back of field. Oops. Go one country name Antigua. Anchor Promotion, Imperial Promotion, big up the promoter Anchor. And give you a big things on it. Come say enough man talk about show, but not enough man pay you the real money. And give you a real audience. That is very important when a man pay you the real money and give you the real audience. So I have to big up the people who me say put me on the biggest set of things. Because I work enough show in the US, but I never been on a show to see 4,000 people a clash before. And that clash was that. So now them put me down there. Then while I'm down in Antigua, the man them see me from so far and say, how come everybody come down here with turntable and microphone and you come down here with drum and shaker? Me get the rather Antigua and I say, alright. From I left Antigua, I just say, alright, a global boss. Because the man them said, yo, no stop into your thing. Me think global, you know. So now come back in the US. Figuring out a way how to launch back the career. Because right now, some guy used to leave me as flipper, label me as ambusher, them out now hold me again. Me ready for them. So me alright call Papa Jaro, you saw me as irks. You know the story between me and Jaro. Went on. So after the story with me and Jaro ended, we chilling again, you know. And then when I chill again now, you find out, say, oh, come in at the picture. Remember the same promoter who stopped me off the dance with Black Cat, Mighty Crown, and him this call again, you know. The same one put on the juggling dance with Mighty Crown and Metro Media. Him this call on the phone again. Have one big dance for you. What kind of dance you keep this time? You know, Mighty Crown, man. But every time Mighty Crown wants money if you pick up a dance, they always call you. Because that's what Mighty Crown do, you know. Mighty Crown will get date in America. Me can't tell you that. Mighty Chin have some friends when just go up on the phone and then call and say, bam, so, boom, boom, boom. Mighty Crown there, you know. Put them out there, you know. I know that because even before that promoter called me, I know that Mighty Crown in America and can't get in date them book out. Mighty Crown, my show is in Mighty Crown top 3 in America and about 150 people was there. And I know so that in them top 3 in America, the tour popped down everywhere in America. Mighty Crown, this last tour that Mighty Crown came through on the US, this is the only story couldn't be talked about. I see Mighty Crown on the interview in somewhere in Europe. And yeah, there is a thing them where Mighty Crown are talk about. He's not known for those. He's not known for keeping artists with sound. Mighty Crown is known for clashing. But for some reason, whenever time Mighty Crown see justice, they don't want to clash. So anyway, which way, this last clash come, the man call me Justice and Mighty Crown. You again? I say, anything you say still, cause me don't know my intention, you know what I'm saying? So I say, alright, listen me now. Next thing I see other people are call, yeah man, Mighty Crown there, you know, them can't get no date, you know. You don't want chin number, you can call him and get a date, you know. I say, alright, I don't know, I take chin number, I'm have to go work for that, the promoter there with females house then. If I go work for him, a blood clot, I'm going to drop me off, or give me blame, me, I go get blame for him dance. So I can keep on the dance now. This is the first time Justice ever put on a dance with Mighty Crown. First time ever. Call Chin. But before me call Chin, a man took upon me and say, boy, I tell you this straight. You're not going to get that dance there, you know. But me have this, the way for you get that dance there. The way to get it when I dance, it's when I ask Chin for you dance and I go, rare, and I tell you the price because you love him money. And I say, yeah man, you agree to the price. You might go ropes. You're not going to want to do it. But tell him say you change. You know, tell him say it's a different youth, you know. Tell him say you learn. So I'm saying, what you said to me? All them things that me have to go through to get a dance with Mighty Crown. So okay then. Bamson, call Chin, him did you can hear. So you know, so I tell him, man, so you don't have to worry yourself, you know, Chin. With a change you to do. Grow up here, though. But him do them flip thing there again, you know, you know, so man start laughing and say, alright then, you want to go on. No, baby, I said I can't track out, you know. I have to put a deposit over there, so there, you know. But you want to go on. We'll call you back, but you sound good, And next thing you know, me hear, you know, a couple people are calling me that they know, saying, youth, make sure that you don't flip up on these guys. I'm like, who are all these people telling me don't flip on these guys? Who them? I'm my dance system, I do what I do. You see, who are them if tell me dictate my dance? You know which way? It's alright. Me say them don't hold on to that practice. This is the last time I run into Mighty Crown. Them don't that practice. If you kill the justice. So me say alright. Emperor Selassie I wear the triple crown. Them boy that clown. Chosen one. Them always one thief Jataiko. No pay them no mind. Me say alright, send for them, then come in. Them do them thing. But they don't know, you know. Yeah man, I lie, me did that tell man. Me ain't change. Never can change on a person who sabotage your career. Now, I'm turning the dance, you know, the dance kick off, let's kick off the dance and start pushing the dance my way. Now, actually, I'm playing dub for the first round and the second round. Mighty Crown is coming and him juggle some 45 and play one dub this and play one way around this and play 45 in between. Now, when you go to a dance like that, you know, one thing I learned on those kind of stages is that somebody got to really bring the crowd their way. Because if you keep clashing and he keep juggling, the dance gonna go one way. But any which way, me let them in, them complain. Them say, boy, them not come here for clash every time. Every time Justice bring them to Florida, we flip up on them, tell them about some money pull up, and then we turn it in a clash. Every time, I don't know these guys. These guys sabotage my career along the way. This is my first time bringing them to Florida. And then the guy went on, Ninja went on, and he says, anyway, we are him a bridging, you know. Biggest lie. We cannot friend people who sabotage my career along the way. So the guy like, yes, the other day me get married and he was there. And boy, that, I don't know about that, my virgin. So as far as me know, them man look like a fish. Me don't even know if them man have woman. Believe me, I say. Lie. Man also look for me youth them. And then look and can say, his son, he's the godfather. No, my youth. You hurt me for that one. You hurt me there, sir. Big lie. He also went on to say that I'm forcing him, bodying him up to get off and stop playing. Cut him off. But before they went on, I told them they got 30 minutes. No joke to the thing. When me say 30 minutes, me mean 30 minutes. I mean say you only a Mighty Crown and you feel say you're bigger off than me and you're better off than me and you go and play your hour and set your example. Me say 30 minutes, me mean 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, me give them 5 more. It's a courtesy. How far them I come from. Them still I try extend it, so me have to make them know, yo, half time now, they was like, if you play a sound double and start the same thing, you know, we gonna walk out. I'm not care if Mighty Crown walk out the dance. That will be a lawsuit coming towards Mighty Crown, because in Mighty Crown contract is clearly say they play for 2 hours. So if I want to split the 2 hours in an hour, 4 30 minutes or 8 15 minutes, I make them play the whole hour, 5 minutes. In between Justice playing 10 minutes and then play them 5. It's up to me, the producer. Your contract say you owe me 2 hours. So that's what I'm asking. Now, we went on and did what I did. When I say if you walk out this dance, you get a lawsuit. The Chinese boy stop same time and look for Ninja and say, no, we're not going nowhere. We're good. I say, all right, at least if Bob said it's because Ninja don't have no sense. So I look on it and say, all right, then play another round. But you know, I never liked that dance for one reason. I was the promoter. I don't like to promote and kill the same person. After you don't bring them in, you try to kill them. So I say, all right, I'm gonna, which they was doing good. I'm not gonna say they ain't do good. Them did do good. Because if you are playing, me I diss them hard. But it's like, you are play a dub, them are play a regular 45. So you know what that means. Eh? Them now look for come over here, so now me I play the hard tune them and they can't get me out same way, you know. The other is there. So me hear them I say, him ball and him ball and him ball and him beg and him beg and him beg and him ball and how me and them a friend and tell all manner of evil and lie and ball and ball and ball. So me say, alright, listen me out. Simple. I changed my strategy instantly upon the dance and said, no need no dub for them boy. I turn up my juggling and just switch the dance from me one hour, go and listen to the audio, to Justice, the juggling sound. When me turn the dance to the juggling part of the dance, Mighty Crown get a forward again for the rest of the night. Sorry, Mighty Crown, not one forward for the rest of the night, Mighty Crown. The dance was clearly mine. So Mighty Crown, you came into the dance, you didn't play no dub. So you can't say you killed Justice, you can't say nothing. And I juggling part, when you really say, alright, juggling now, you don't go on with nothing. Clearly the audio is there. You don't go on with nothing. So I see him on an interview, Gibbo the guy name in England, which Gibbo is asking him all these questions and the man is skipping around everything that Gibbo have to tell him about Justice. Keep putting Justice down here. Way down here. From from early 2000, Mighty Crown never see Justice pass here. So from 2000, Mighty Crown, yes, the same way. Why is it Mighty Crown don't want to see Justice go further? Even in 2013, 13 years later, Mighty Crown still see us there. It's a reason why, I don't know Gibbo, but it's a reason why Gibbo asks you about Justice full. The world want to know. Because the world right now is forced to be recognized to Justice. Who is Justice? Yeah, you cannot explain it because you don't know who I am. You're just telling a pure bag of lies. Justice is the guy where you sabotage him career. Chin, you have to restore my glory, my honor. You are my biggest payday, fool. I'm telling you this. So learn this and learn this well. Can't say you never really wrote Black Cat. Can't say you never dropped Justice or Fight. Can't say you never label me as a public. What is there for me to like Mighty Crown off? I don't see Mighty Crown. Mighty Crown trying to buy out reggae music. Mighty Crown coming into reggae music with money. Reggae music give me everything when we have talent. That is something where Mighty Crown have. Talent. Mighty Crown have money. Yes, they could have millions of other business. Which they do. That's not my business. I'm a singer, songwriter, producer. I don't know me as a sound man, the killer. Reggae music me do. When I work in a restaurant. Reggae music me do. Listen to me. Talent. No money. Talent. You see me? So when we look on them, there's no respect. I never see Mighty Crown win a dance without a custom. Mighty Crown have one anthem. Yes, I'm your biggest fear. I know you fear Justice the most, Mighty Crown. Because if you fear Justice, you can't come to Justice with custom. Mighty Crown versus Justice is a dance about talent. The last dance you play, I out juggle you. I'm going to tell you I'm ready to kill you. No, you are a Japanese. You disgrace the culture, you disgrace the heritage. Another warrior on the back of field call you for warrior and you run like a yellow belly coward. If you was a real Japanese, you would have dead long time because you would have to stab yourself. But instead of what you do, no, he's a fake Japanese because I never see you look like them one time. Every time you see you look like American. Yeah, Chin, who are you? You're a vulture of no culture. Chin, who are you? Show me your age paper. I don't know no real Rasta man that profit from Baltimore. None. I don't know who is you. You are from not of my culture. Who are these guys? Let me tell you something. Global boss. The half never told. Guess what happened? This is 1/10. I'm gonna release this and I'm waiting back for your response so I could tell the full length of the story. Gibbo, big up for the interview that you had with Mighty Crown. I don't know you. But one thing I see clearly. Don't care how you try to keep them on the story, them run and hide. Tell Chin stop sabotaging my career. The same thing you see Mighty Crown doing is belittling me on their interview is the same thing they've been doing for 13 years. And it's the same thing they do to all of their opponents. No, Mighty Crown, you will never be the king of clash. No. Never. If you want to be a killer like me, stop playing custom. I'm ready to kill it any day. No custom. Talent over money. They see who run this. Real talk. Justice the Great. Global boss. Juvenile. You know who I am. Check out my album, Emancipation Music, in store. The half have never been told. This is part of my story. Link me up. Justice Sound. Facebook. Want to hear your half of the story. Chin. I'm sorry for you, my boy. Tell you the biggest joke, Chin. I was in New York for the weekend. They trying to poison the global boss. But meanwhile, I was there. I see 3 Bubba come and meet I and they bring me this flag right here, my brother. And I get to understand that that flag is from Bubba Hill. Prince Emmanuel's wife gave that flag to the warriors, and the warriors passed this flag on to me. I never been on top of the hill, but next time I go to Jamaica, I have to try that Zion. The Bubba them link me in New York and say justice, public, all of your story. 1/10 tight, the half I've never told. So Chin, either you restore me honor, me and the world will come for you, my brother. The whole world will come for you. Your head yet not start yet, nigga. Who are you? A gigolo for Mighty Crown? You're a vulture for my culture. Equal rights and justice. The word for good. The punishment for evil. Which side are you on? The half I've never told. Link up. Let me hear your side of the story.
When other people tell their history, they come across as being patriotic. When other people talk about where they came from and who they are and what their history is, that's called patriotism. But when African Americans do it, or when black people do it, they're labeled as being militant. They're called rebels. They're called Afrocentric. So that's the big difference. Our history, for some reason, it becomes offensive to people. So we have to stop being afraid to tell what our true history is. African people established the first dynasties in Asia. When you look at old paintings of Eastern Asian people, you can see the African ancestry in their features.
The Japanese were formed when Ethiopians brought South Koreans onto the island and combined with the original people there known as the Ainu. The Ainu now, you're going to find the Ainu in the Philippines. They're going to be called Negritos. You're going to find them in Vietnam. They're called the Champa or the Montagnards. You're going to find African people throughout the Far East. Very dark complexion, very curly hair, wide nose, thick lip. You will also find those with straight hair. You will find those with a more aquiline nose.
Some of the first Buddha statues clearly had African features, classical African features. If you go to Thailand, if you go to Korea, if you go to Vietnam, you will see some of these statues up that has the classical African nose, classical African lips, woolly hair.
When we go to Asia, we see that the founder of the samurai warrior, okay, in Japan, all right, was an African. We found that the founders of the ninja system was an African. In fact, in Japan, there's a saying that if you don't have a little bit of African blood, you can never truly be a samurai.
Martial arts was established by a black Dravidian who was living in southern India by the name of Bodhidharma. The Bodhidharma, it was said that he walked from southern India into Asia, China, and on his way there, he would study the fighting mechanisms of animals, and he used that as a form of self-defense for himself, and that's where martial arts started. There was another guy named Tigwai who was an original master of martial arts, and if you look at old paintings of Tigwai, this dude looks like Lionel Richie. So martial arts was really established in Africa. Even during slavery in Brazil, there's a form of Brazilian martial arts, which is African martial arts called capoeira. And what they would do, the African slaves would practice this form of martial art, and they would disguise it as dancing.
When we look at the early pictures of most of the deities of Asia, nearly all of them bore striking resemblance to the deities of the Nile Valley civilizations. And even in their writings, you will see that even in Asia, not just Greece and Rome, but even in Asia, you see them paying tribute to the spiritual systems and history that they had learned in Africa. In fact, the Asian spiritual system is probably the closest approximate to the traditional African spiritual system. From the one, you get many, with the creator being manifested in all living organisms, be it a tree or a human being. That is fundamental to Asian thought, but it's also fundamental to African thought, which predated Asia.
When you go into these jungles in Bangkok and the areas of Vietnam, when the Vietnamese, when they were fighting in Vietnam, they went into these temples, they saw nothing but these African faces. When they saw the black man dressed up like that, they thought that the Buddha gods had come back. All these black men dressed in these American faces, they were accustomed in the bush to these black faces, these black Buddhas. And when you go deeper into that information, you're only seeing black faces. You could go down into certain parts of Africa or down there, I forgot the name of the tribes, but in the Bantu, you could look at them and they have very high cheeks and their eyes are completely slanted. So you can tell where the Chinese people actually ascended from.